the world of technology, one field shaping the future is robotics. Integrating ChatGPT, machine learning, and AI has revolutionized robot building. NLP enables robots to understand and respond to human commands efficiently. Applications include virtual assistant, Siri, Alexa, machine translation, sentiment analysis, and chatbots. Machine learning empowers robots to learn from experiences and adapt behavior. Examples: self-driving cars, industrial robots, agriculture robots, delivery drones, and warehouse robots. Computer vision and AI helps robots perceive and interpret visual information. Examples: object recognition, facial recognition, augmented reality, and medical applications. Reinforcement learning enables robots to navigate unpredictable environments, manipulate objects, and play games. Examples: robot balancing, drone control, game playing robots, and robotic soccer players.